this new thing with the rabbits where I just let them hop around out here, and then I just guide them back to the enclosure, and they go back in. Guide them back to the coop, and they just hop back in. Basically, I just follow them around out here, and if they get too far, I just come up behind them, and they go back in. They know where their safe home is. Let's go back this way, Clover. Come on. Come on, let's go back this way. Good boy. I just gotta keep an eye on him. All right, come on, bud. Good boy. Hi, Clover. Hi. Hi, good boy. Stay with him so that he doesn't get too far away. Just let him hop around, explore a little bit. I've got socks put up right now, one bunny at a time. We're not gonna go to the neighbor's yard. We gotta stay here. And if I chase behind him, just kind of guide him back. He'll go back to the enclosure. Hi, bud. No. Are you running back? Just gotta stay in between him and the neighbor's yard. Did you find a piece of hay that I dropped while I was carrying it to your hutch? It's fine for him to hop around in the snow. I mean, it's 50 out here, so it's not like he's gonna freeze. The snow's probably gonna melt in the next couple days. So he's not gonna freeze, and when he goes back to the coop, he'll just be able to sit in the nice warm straw and lick his feet and be perfectly warm. It would only be bad if, like, he was stuck out in the snow, like, overnight in the cold with no way to get warm. But he's able to get back to the hutch and be warm and dry, and he'll be fine. He has the exact same hay in the coop, but it just tastes better when he's out here. That's a deep snowdrift. Don't hop in there. Okay, his turn is done. Time to get socks out. Socks out. Clover is put up. I can only do one at a time. Socks is over here, enjoying the grass that sticks through. Moved over in this direction a little more. Moved over to this side. Same thing with socks as with Clover. The snow won't hurt him as long as when he gets back in the coop, he can be dry and warm and lick himself off, which he can. So he'll be fine. He's digging through the snow, looking for food. Stay smart and keep behind him, or in front of him, I guess, just so that he can't leave too far. Okay. Alright, his turn is over, and I think I'm gonna let Clover out and head inside. Socks is gonna try to get him out for me. Yeah, Clover's in there. Alright, let Clover out, put the ramp down. He's enjoying himself though, because I put some pellets in there for him so he wouldn't be too bored. You're gonna have to go around, Socks. Can't get him through the bottom. Alright, bunny walking is done. They're put away. And I'm gonna head inside.